بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome to your English literature class. I am Anam Hanif Khan. Last time we have started a chapter that is unit number 3, After 20 Years. It is written by O. Henry. In this chapter we have studied about two friends and how they assumed friendship, as one was a criminal and second one was a cop. But to sustain their friendship, to sustain their promise which they have made, Bob, who used to be a criminal, came to New York just to meet Jimmy. And Jimmy, who was a cop, who was informed by Chicago police that Bob is a criminal, but whether he is a cop, but as a friend, he assumed his friendship and he said that I will meet my friend and I'm not gonna arrest him. So in the story we have studied that in the last another policeman came and arrested Bob. We have attempted words meaning and question answers of this chapter. Today we're gonna have the exercises. For a start, first we will attempt the exercise of your book, Reading Circle. That is your chapter. An exercise is on page number 33. This is page number 33 and that is exercise B, reference to context. Here's the question. Read this line from the story, then answer the question. There are two parts, 1 and 2. We will attempt only part 1 and from part 1 you will attempt question 1, 2 and 3. You will skip question 4 and part 2 of this exercise. What is the question? First, the statement is, sound a little funny to you, doesn't it? Well, I'll explain if you would like to make certain it's all straight. What is the question? Question number 1. Who says these words to whom? Who says these words and to whom? Who says? Bob says. Bob says these to the policeman. Question 2. What was it sound a little funny? What was this that sounds a little funny? It sounds a little funny that he had come to keep an appointment made 20 years ago. Then number 3, what is meant by to make certain it's all straight? Well, what is the answer? It means to assure that he was not a thief but an ordinary law-abiding man. These are 3 questions you will attempt from exercise B, reference to context part 1. Then next exercise is exercise C. This is exercise C. And I mentioned part 6. It is on page number 35. Part 6 of exercise C. Use the following in sentences of your own. These are the words you have to make sentences of your own. Words are big proposition, between meets, figured, impressiveness, enlarged by success. You know what will be the method of word sentences? You will have to make a column very neat and clean. You will write the words with black and make sentences with blue. Don't forget to skip line after every sentence. Okay? Then exercise D. On the same page, page number 35. This is exercise D. Can you make sense of these by putting in the correct punctuation? You have to punctuate these sentences. I have mentioned a hint, a key on the board, and you may find it in your web portal, homework portal as well. The sentence is 20 years ago tonight, said the man, I dined here at Big Joe Brady's with Jimmy Wells, my best chum and the finest chap in the world. This sentence you will find on page number 29. As I mentioned on the board, page number 29, second paragraph. Let me show you. This is page number 29. First paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. Here are the lines. 20 years ago till chap in the world. Here they have mentioned the punctuations. You may do it correctly in your copy from there. Then next hint I have mentioned on the board, that is page number 31 and 32. It is here in your book, page number 31. The last line, it sometimes changes a good man into a bad man, said the tall man. You have been under arrest for 10 minutes, Silky Bob. This is page number 32. Page number 31 till 32. These are two sentences you have to punctuate by checking your book. Keys are on the board as well as in the homework portal. So this is your work. First you will do exercise B from page number 33 and 34, that is reference to context. You know very well what is the method we followed. First you will write the statement which is given from your book. Then you will write the reference that these lines have been taken from chapter After 20 Years, which is written by O. Henry. Then you will write question number 1 of part 1, then the answer. After this, you will copy exercise C part 6 from page number 35. Make column for words, sentences. Words will be copied with black and sentences with blue. Skip line after every sentence. Then exercise D from page number 35. If you are having any query regarding this, or you would not get anything, so you may ask through our WhatsApp number. But before asking, please make sure that you have checked homework portal, because everything is mentioned there. Use only black and blue color for working. Mention date on every page, and do not forget to mention your topic, your exercises in the index as well. This is all your work, and kindly complete your work till today or till tomorrow, so that you may send your copies as it is said. This is done for today. Inshallah, we will meet in the next class with the new topic.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to all in our 8th online class of English language. I hope you all are fine and safe. God bless you all. Let's start our today's lesson. Today we are going to continue our previous lesson, that was unit 5 verbs, and it's on page number 18. Yes, please open your books, page number 18, unit number 5. Okay. And in this lesson, as we have learned two tenses, simple present, simple past, and today third one, future simple tense, we are going to discuss. And future simple tense, it's on page number 24 of your book. See this. It's our today's topic, simple future tense. Okay. Now, as we all know, as we have discussed, that what are the tenses is basically the purpose of tense is to show the time that when the action has been happened actually in the given sentence. Is that clear? And it can be in present time, it can be in past, and it can be in future. So basically we are having three categories of time, three categories of tense. Okay, and we have learned simple present, simple past, simple future. One. Present simple done, past simple done. Today is future simple tense. Okay. Now, where we have to use this tense, future simple tense, what are the functions of this tense in our general conversation, in our daily life? Like future simple tense show the future time, the upcoming time, means you are having some intentions to do in your upcoming time. You are willing to do something, you are doing something for your next time, your future time, the upcoming time, which will come right after this time. Okay, so this tense we use basically for this purpose. The two things you have to keep it in your mind. For future simple, the future can be the nearest and can be the farthest. Okay, like for instance here, will, shall plus bare infinitive. Now here I have underlined a word bare infinitive. What does it mean? First we will understand that what are infinitives and what does the mean of bare infinitives. Basically infinitives are the words which comes with preposition to in the sentence. Like I have to means if we are having, like here I have written here an example give. It's simple verb give. But along with this, if I am having here the preposition to, it would give the sense of infinitive. Okay. And what's the concept of bare infinitive? Bare infinitive without the verbs, without preposition to in the sentence. Okay. So it will give the sense of, here the structure I have written, will, shall plus bare infinitive, means this is the structure then where you can use simple future tense in your sentences by following this pattern. Like I shall give you the details as soon as I have them. Verb is give without preposition to, so it will be bare infinitive. Now the concept of infinitive and bare infinitive clear here? So, and here I have used two terms, will or shall. Okay, will or shall means where we use where will we generally use with the third person singular. Now this time will we can use with every person, but in certain books, in our older grammar, we are having particularly a word shall which we use for the plural noun as well as for the first person. Is that clear? So this was the thing is. Second, we are having that where we can use this future simple tense like simple present tense. In simple present tense, how we can use this? Like Cyrus leaves tomorrow for Dhaka. Here I have used a form of the verb present with s or es. Here we are not having any of the helping verb. means we are denoting that simple present tense can give the sense of somewhat future as well. Like here we are talking about for he is leaving tomorrow. This word is indicating here the upcoming time, and as soon as you got any word which is giving the sense of upcoming time, like upcoming hour, upcoming minutes, it would be in our future terms. Clear? So here the nearest feature will be described by, it can be simple future. Like present continuous tense. Third one we are having, the third use of this tense is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, how we can use this? Like example, what are you doing? This one is present continuous tense. But how we can use this in our future form, like this evening. This word this evening is giving the sense of future, means right now I am talking in morning, but I am talking about the upcoming future of this day, means this evening. Okay, so it is the nearest future as well, but in continuous sense the future tense can be used here as well. Okay, this is something, a very little difference between the nearest and the farthest future, which describes these things. Basically mainly we can just I will go, I will do, okay, I will complete, like this. Okay, but if we are just following the certain times, upcoming time, nearest time, we are mentioning the time here, then we will go with these two terms, like simple present and simple present and present continuous tense. Is that clear? So three we have discussed here, the uses of the uses of future simple tense. Will, shall, bare infinitives. Bare infinitives are what? Means the verbs, first form of the verbs without the preposition to. Clear? Simple present, present continuous, and now fourth one is here I have written be plus going plus to plus infinitive. As we have cleared the concept, bare infinitives and infinitives. So here we are having the word infinitive, means the verb with preposition to. Where we are having the verb in our sentence, it will come with the preposition to, means before verb we will add preposition to. Clear? And here one word be. What does it mean? It means that it is defining like be verb. I have written here a pattern, means you can use your future simple tense sentences by following this pattern. Now the word be, what does it mean? It means that be is describing certain be verbs. Be verbs, what are these? They are not having their actual meanings, but they give the sense to the verb, they give the time to the verb. Okay, like for present we are having is, am, are. For past we use was or were, which give the time, which give the sense that when it has been happened. If I have just, so be plus going to, and going to simply a time, a tense, means it's just a structure which usually we use, that I am going to do this, means I am having intention to do this, means I want to do this in my future. I am going to park, I am going to shop, like this. These are my intentions which I want to do. So simply we can follow a simple structure going to with everyone. Is that clear? So is that clear? So going to plus infinitive. How it will make, like she is going to spend the next 2 weeks in Dhaka. Okay, in Dhaka means she is going to, she subject, be verb is, present verb. Okay, is, am, are, these are the be verbs of present tense. Is going to, which is giving the sense of future, to spend the next 2 weeks in Dhaka. Here we are not having any will or shall, but which word is giving the sense of future simple tense? The word going to, means the things which you want to do, means you are having intentions to do. Is that clear? So this is also a kind of a sense of future. Keep it in your mind. Here we are not having any helping verb will or shall, but what verb is defining? The structure going to. Is that clear? So these were the main functions of uses of future simple tense. By following these patterns, we can formulate our future simple sentences. Okay. And now fifth one, which is left, I am writing downstairs.
About to plus infinitive. Fifth one. Okay. Example. Okay. Here I have written the pattern about to plus infinitives. Infinitives what are the verbs with the preposition to, and about to is will give the sense of going, means I am about to do this, means upcoming time, means the nearest future is that I am just hoping to complete this, I want to do this. So let's hurry, the show is about to begin, means we are having just few minutes to start our action, to start our show, means the nearest time it would be about to. Okay, so let's hurry, the show is about to begin, means about to will give the sense of future simple tense here. Okay, so 5 functions totally we have learnt in our this class, that how we can use mainly future simple tense in our practice, practical life or in our daily conversation. Now come up to the sentence structure for this tense. For affirmative, negative, interrogative, subject plus helping verb, will or shall. As I have explained that where you will use will or where you will use shall. Plus form of verb will be first plus object. Clear? Negative. Simply you just have to add a word not with it. After your helping verb, then first form of the verb plus object. Okay? Then in interrogative, helping verb will come first, will, shall plus subject, form of verb, first plus object plus question mark. So this was the sentence structure. For affirmative you will use this, for negative you will use this, for interrogative you will use this. Keep it in your mind, you are having two helping verbs, means we generally in our we are using in conversation basically will everywhere, but the shall concept still exists. Okay, in our books, in our older English we are having, so you must have to have the clear idea that where we have to use will and where we have to use shall. I, we, first person, second person we will use shall, and third person we will use will. Is that clear? Now you have to example, I am writing here like he, I will go there tomorrow. I will go there tomorrow. Negative, I will not go there tomorrow. Okay, will I go there tomorrow? It will be interrogative. Okay, now I hope you have got everything which we have discussed today regarding future simple tense, that 5 main functions which we have learned today. Basically they are not just upon the following helping verbs, in spite of the helping verbs how the future tense is being used in our practical life we have learned today, like bare infinitives, like future simple, like present continuous, and like present simple tense. How we can use this? By having a little time variation between them. Is that clear? Heading towards our homework, that how you have to do in your copies. Your homework is, first of all you will make a proper title page of the tense which we have learned today. This is future simple tense. After this you will copy sentence structure by the given homework folder. Okay, and you will write all the student tasks which has been given for the practice in your homework folder. Then come up to page number 25 of your book, this one, page number 25 of your book, and you will draw this table in your copy. Okay, page number 24. Page number 24, this table you have to draw in your copies. Okay. Now, heading towards our exercise, it's exercise K. Again, it's on page number 25. This one, page number 25, exercise K, and page number 25, exercise. Clear? Now, I am reading the question that how you have to do, what you have to do in this exercise. Question is, use going to with the appropriate words to complete the sentence flow. Means, as we have learned our one function, that going to, which gives the sense of the future. Okay, and here we have to add certain words. Answers has been given in the box, but you have to select appropriate words. Okay, according to the sense of the given sentence, that what word will be appropriate for the given sentences. Now I am reading first. You have to do 1 till 5 in your copies. I am reading 1. This bag is not too strong. It is dash. It is dash. It is going to what? It is going to what? Dine, sail, paint, tear, visit, build, fall, or call. What would be the appropriate one? It's about to, or it's going to tear, because it's not too strong. The bag was not too strong and it's having so many things. Definitely it would be tear. Okay, so we will write the answer is going to tear. Clear? Second one, I have bought some colors. I have bought some colors. I am dash. I am dash. I have bought some colors. I am dash means going to paint. Going to paint. Okay? Going to paint. Okay, he wants to invite his sister to party. He is dash going to call her. Going to call her. Okay, now rest of the part you have to solve by reading appropriately the sentence and grasp the sense of it, that which word would be suitable for the given blank. Clear? Means I hope you have got everything properly which we have discussed today. Okay, inshallah we will meet in our next class. Take care and Allah Hafiz.